with the use of pesticides and balancing flavors, the year shown on the bottle has eventually lost its meaning. Flavors are becoming ready-made and unrelated to the actual weather conditions. To create a label for this natural wine, we decided to raise awareness about the importance of understanding the year indicated on it. In cooperation with the Croatian Meteorological Service, the data on weather conditions in the territory of vineyards were collected, and the amount of precipitation proved to be a great tool to show graphically how much weather actually affects the diversity of nature every year. Circles, as standard meteorological rain symbols, show the amount of rainfall in a particular month. The label passes on what the year was like so that we can easily compare the different vintage years. In such a way, wine, as one of the historically most acclaimed product, becomes a medium that speaks out about the importance of understanding nature.